Are you tired of spending hours making ad creatives for your next campaign? Well, here's how Adcreative AI can help. Their AI-powered platform enables you to make stunning ad creatives just like these without the help of a copywriter or designer. You can now make multiple ad creatives that are tailored to your target audience, goals, and brand guidelines. Adcreative AI utilizes machine learning to continually analyze their ads and adjust their creatives accordingly. In a crowded digital landscape, this will help you stand out from the crowd. Here's an example of an ad creative that McDonald's made, and this is what Adcreative AI came up with in a fraction of the time. They were even featured in Times Square as one of the top 3 fastest growing products. If you're looking for a faster and more efficient way to generate ad creatives, you can try it out now for 25% off any package. So just go down to your settings and apply the promo code, and now you can start generating high quality ad creatives with ease.